Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with another tune-up report for Kent in California on the new Ranger RCI 99 N4. Kent, got it ready to go for you, bud? Just our tuning alignment, and you said you were mainly going to use this on sideband, but we're just going to show you AM real quick. 250 watt slug, 25 watts all the way down, about 135 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 2 1/4. 1,000 watt slug and peak. Hello, about 580. Go sideband. Hello 1 2. Hello 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello hello. So it's going to talk over 500 watts. And here is your little switch. Shut your amp off, and she's good to go. Alright, Kent, hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.